General Appropriation Bill, which then BBM will sign to become GAA. Diba? So alam natin yan. Now, what I want to then talk about is, maliban dun sa whether or not may blank o hindi, Miss Yai, based on your experience and others, sa tingin mo ba na okay pagka tinignan mo yung first 12 pages kung saan minekos-mekos ng mga congressman at senador yung BICAM, albeit normal, they have the power to do that. But the value is this much, 860 billion pesos. That's roughly around about 20% of the budget.
Ito yung dapat. I know we're just, small boys in a crowd of billion. Small boys lang tayo, pero ito dapat ang pinag-uusapan natin, not the process. Kaya nga na-frustrate ako kay Raul Manuel na parang sumausaw ka din talaga. Dapat ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, minekos, kasi ito, I'm sorry, bago tayo pupunta dyan, ito lang naman ang pinupunto nila Ito yung pinupunto nila. Ang pinupunto nila dyan is, kinontrol ni Martin Romualdez ang pag-a-allocate ng pera. Yun lang yun. Yun yung gusto nilang ipunto na ayaw nilang diretsuhin. Pero alam na natin yan. So let's move on. Let's look at the numbers. Let's look at the technicality at yun ang pag-usapan natin. DPWH, why are you getting so much? Education, bakit nilagay ang PNP Academy? Bakit nilagay dyan ang professional development? Hindi yan dapat, yun yung dapat, this is the conversation that we should be having. Hindi yung, proseso, done with the process, tapos na yung proseso, doon na tayo mismo sa budget. Pag-usapan natin. Now, if you're going to ask me, illegal ba yung number na yan sa it's not illegal but it could be unconstitutional. Dalawang bagay when you talk about illegality, you talk about the process. But when you talk about constitutionality, you talk about the purpose. Kung sinunod ba nila yung purpose o yung mismong purpose ng bawat salita na nilagay ng konstitusyon. So yun lang yan Hindi umalis na si Bulate.
Sorry, clarify ko lang, Miss Yai. The interview was today. I wasn't able to catch that Para lang
Kanina yata. Kanina. Nakita ko kanina.
I agree doon naman sa sinabi ninyo, regardless kung maliit yung oras, you could have defended. Bigyan nyo kami ng time para i-review. Kung ano man yung kaganapan nangyari sa kanila. Pero at the end of the day, I think sa kanila, we know that they do have a political agenda, sad to say, whatever it may